Hi everyone, how are you doing? Right now I'm at Kuwagata Sea Beach. At this moment you can see this is a wave. So this is a very fantastic. Actually, I'm waiting for the high wave at this moment, and you can see over there is a speedboat and few boys and girls at the Kuwagata Sea Beach. Actually, today I have come here with my 5 friends, and they are behind me, and you can see over there 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, 5 men is also together. Look at the breathtaking view of this place, and so you can enjoy the sunset and sunrise from the same place. So that's why the Kuwagata is so special. Look at the wave at this moment. The wave was so calm and relaxing. So if you ever visit in Bangladesh, so don't miss the Kuwagata Sea Beach. So you will find friendly people and delicious food in Kuwagata. So it is the perfect place for relaxing. The place is one of the most beautiful place in Bangladesh, from where you can enjoy sunset and sunrise from the same place. Assalamualaikum everyone. So you can see with me, this is Noman, and Noman is also my cameraman at this moment, and because of right now we don't have any cameraman, so Noman is recording this video, and we are enjoying this place. And over there you can see the white boy. This white one, he is my friend Raihan, and does not want to go into the river because of Raihan. He is suffering from fever. And look at the face. Wow, that's fantastic. And look at over there. Okay. There, no man, look at there. Oh. Now we are going to Lal Kakrar Chor. And you know what? Lal Kakrar Chor is the most famous in Kuwagata, and which is the west part from the center of Kuwagata. Okay, you can see there is a beautiful and captivating place, and we are recording this video, and actually I'm going to buy a bike. So now you can see over there, and there is a high wave, and so most of the people are enjoying. Hi everyone, how are you doing? They are waiting for high wave. At the wave. So how much sound of the wave? I'm just enjoying this captivating moment with my friends. And look at there. This place is a very fantastic place. Okay, look at behind me. Wow, that's awesome. Okay, so now I will go somewhere for taking tea. This is a very popular fish market in Kuwagata, and where we have come here, and now we are bargaining for a fish, and which is chingri and coral.